Dili pwede ma'am, paypay lang kita, bawal kahigon. Okay, lapag ang isda tanan. Kamu na bahala kung atubang dito or atubang dire. Opo, puniton lang kay para idagan dayon sa kauban. Kaning araw na yellow, mula pa sa araw na yellow. Okay, on my mark. Okay, kinsay last person? Okay, from green team, kinsay last person? Ma'am Anamay. Red team, last person, Ma'am Hazel. Bawal. Bawal i-fold ang isda. Bawal i-fold. Straight lang yun. Straight lang yun ang isda. Wala nang i-fold na mo gaina. Okay. Last person, Ma'am Anamay, Ma'am Hazel. Sa orange team, Ma'am Lads. Yellow team, Sir Kaloy. Ma'am Twiggy para sa blue. Violet, Ma'am Jenny, Ma'am Katia for white. And Ma'am Navarro for pink. Okay. Wala gyud fold da, walay fold. Laten na among paghatagaina sa isda. Wa pa nagyagig sugba. Labas pa na. Okay. Bawal kahig ha, paypay lang yun, paypay. On my mark, trial ta. Again, ang isda, palampason lang aning araw na yellow, puniton, dagan, pasa sa kauban. On my mark. Ready, set, go! Okay. Okay, that's it. Trial pa to, trial. Trial pa, Ma'am Sil. Ha? 6 members in a group ni. 6 members in a group. Napas Ma'am Twiggy. Kulang pas Ma'am Twiggy. Video, Mama. Okay, on my mark. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kaisda. Ready. Walay kahig ha. Kamu tanaw inahan. Disqualified rin siya ang kahigon. Paypay lang kita. Paypay. On my mark. Ready. Set. Go. Go. Punita. Dagan. Okay, punita dagan. Okay na kamampin. Lagamin na niya. Okay, punita dagan. Okay na, punita dagan. We're down to third person na ka. Okay, punita dagan. Down to last 3 person para sa pink team. Okay. Okay, down to last 2 person para sa pink team. Wanay ikog Sir Kenneth. Wanay ikog, muli na mo, ganahan mo lang oy. Okay, kami kay si Sir F na. Okay, kami Sir F. Down to last person, pink team. Okay, dagan balik. Okay, first, pink team. Second, Ma'am Lads. Kumana mo? Okay, Ma'am Katyang, second, third, Ma'am Lads. Una sila. First, Ma'am Navarro, pink team, second, white, third, Ma'am Lads. Okay, thank you.